withdrawing funds held by Outlook 2026 can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Outlook 2026 account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Funds section. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Funds or Account Balance. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your account. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Ensure that you have linked the correct account for the withdrawal. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and method. Once everything is correct, confirm your request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your chosen withdrawal method for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.